Welcome back guys to another video. In this video I will show you how to do a curbside pickup from Spark driver. So I'm just going to show you step by step how to get it done. So I'm not going to take too much time. Let's do it right now. To get started, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and open the Spark driver app, and after that you're going to see something say need attention. That means you're going to need to take a picture. But if you try to Spark now, it's going to say action need your attention. Okay, got it. And you're going to go ahead, take a picture of yourself just to make sure you are the owner of this account, is not somebody else trying to use your account. Okay, you're gonna click continue. After you click continue, it's gonna ask you to look slightly in the left, slightly in the right, and after that it's just gonna give you a green check mark. That means everything is okay. It's just gonna take a few seconds processing your selfie. Okay, after you're processing your selfie, everything is good. They're just gonna give you a thumbs up. That means everything is good. Now it's time to make some money. But before you make some money, you're gonna click Spark now. They're gonna open another window just to ask you which time you think you're gonna be finished. You can choose any time you think you're gonna be finished.
A few minutes later.
After being sitting for a few minutes, I finally get this order to start this tutorial. This is our curbside pickup order. What makes this curbside pickup order? If you go to the drop-offs, you don't see anything like shopping, returns. That means this is a curbside pickup. So let's go to the top one. I'm gonna get paid $18.43 for this order in 3 stops, 6.7 mile, 37 minutes to complete, and the pickup time is 2:45. And you can see it to drop off. Why is 3 stops? Because every stop you make, they count as one. You go into Walmart to pick up this order, that's a 1 stop. You go into the first customer, that's a 2nd stop. You go into the 2nd customer, that's a 3rd stop you're gonna make. But when you come to drop off, that means you're gonna do 2 different customers. Okay, before you even go click start trip, I want you to click in this arrow here. Why? Because you want to know if the customer order gonna fit in your car. If you see there is a lot of big things they're not gonna fix in your car, this is the time to cancel that trip before it's too late. Before I scroll down and show you the item the customer order, let's see the earning breakdown here. So the estimate total is 18.43 cents you're gonna get paid. But remember, Spark driver don't pay you for pickup, they only pay for drop off. So the delivery, you can see here, you're gonna get paid 19.70 cents. So this is your tips gonna be $9.26. Okay, and these tips gonna take 24 hours before you even receive it. You're gonna see in the app, but it's gonna take 24 hours before you receive this $9.26. So any of the customer can come here and cancel the tips before 24 hours. I don't know why they take 24 hours to let the customer decide if you want to keep the tips or if you want to remove it. So remember, this tip is not guaranteed. The customer can always remove it. I'm going to show you the items, but I'm not going to show you the customer name, address, anything like that. So I'm going to go to the first customer here. You can see he's got 12 items. So I'm just going to click in it to see if it is any big stuff here, if it's going to able to fit in my car. So after checking here, I see there's 12 items here. Nothing big, a lot of small things. That's not going to give me a problem. You do the same thing for the other customer. You check to see if there any big stuff. If it's not, you just keep the trip for. Why not? If there is any big things you think is not going to fit in your car, you just want to click cancel trip. To do that, here is going to open a menu for you to choose why you want to cancel this trip. You can choose whatever one you feel comfortable or whatever reason why you cancel this trip, and after that you click continue. But if you want to keep this trip, you don't choose anything, you just keep trip. You just click and keep trips, and that's how you keep your trip. After review everything about this order, now it's time to click stop trip. So what can happen when you stop trip? It can let you stop the trip early than the time they're giving, or they can tell you no, it's not time yet, you're just gonna wait. Let's click stop trip to see what's gonna happen. After click stop trip, this is what they say. They say it's a little bit early. Pickup time is 2:45 and my current time is 2:39. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna wait 6 minutes, and after I'm gonna come back. Okay, after waiting 6 minutes, guys, they finally let me in. So right now you can see the Corta 245 curbside pickup. You can see this is a curbside pickup like I told you in the beginning, and this is the Walmart location I'm going, and there's the contact in navigate. I can navigate right now, but already under Walmart. Every order on Walmart now they give you a 15 minute grace. That means 15 minutes you have to be in the pickup location to start, and they're gonna go ahead cancel the trip on you. You don't want that to happen. And as soon as you receive an order from truck driver, just check to see which Walmart is it and go drive there before they even let you start. Okay, let's go to order status here. Most of the time you're gonna see parking up, okay, but they start this order already marked waiting, so that means it's just waiting for me to go ahead pick up a spot and then confirm arrival. So like I told you, if you are not in Walmart yet, the location, you just click navigate it, gonna take you to your GPS and it's gonna take you right there. And me already there, I'm just gonna confirm arrival. I'm just gonna slide here. After slide confirm arrival, it's gonna take me to select a parking spot. So I'm just gonna click select, and then I'm in spot 2. I'm just gonna click spot 2 here. If you're in spot 1, spot 3, it's up to you to choose whatever spot you want and you take it from the app. After I choose my spot, I'm just gonna click save and it's gonna take me right here. Before you click code confirm, you want to make sure a Walmart associate come to you and ask for your code. Don't click code confirm yet if no one come to you ask for your code. Okay, remember, after you give a Walmart associate the code, the 2580, you're just gonna click code confirm, and after that they're gonna bring your order to you, and this is where you're gonna go ahead scan each label. So and right here you're gonna see the order number, and here everything here. So one thing you want to focus is the fourth digit. You see 060 0939. This is one you're gonna see in the receipt. So this is the one you want to focus every time you're going to deliver the order, because you are two different customer. You want to make sure this number match with the customer you're going to deliver, and then you're gonna click stop scanning. After scanning all the item, you're just gonna click done scanning. So it's gonna ask you, have you checked for missing labels, and you're gonna click confirm. So what you're gonna do, if everything already scanning, so there is any problem here, you're just gonna click confirm. Before you slide and complete pickup, you want to make sure you don't have any missing item. To do that, you're just gonna click this customer first one right here. You say you got 4 items, 5 quantity. That's meaning one of the item he ordered them twice. That's why 5 quantity. And you can see the second customer, he got 12 items. So check to see if you got the all items. You're gonna click the first customer, it's gonna show you the item, and you're gonna go to the bag and you check the bag to see if they match with the items. If everything match with the items and there is no missing item, you check everything. So you're just gonna go ahead slide complete pickup. When you slide and complete pickup, you're gonna see here they're gonna give you the first drop off. That's the first customer you're gonna do. You're just gonna slide start now. You're gonna click navigate it to get to the customer house. When you get to the customer house, you're just gonna click confirm arrival. When you click confirm arrival, you're gonna give you option to start scanning the items. I'm gonna click start scanning. After you finish scanning the items, you're gonna slide done scanning, and now it's gonna say if you are here, you're just gonna click yes, I am here. Now where the drop off note, sometimes people keep note tell you to go to the back door, go to the side door. Make sure you pay attention about that. If there is no notes, that means you're just gonna go drop it in the front door. What you're gonna do, you're gonna click got it. After you click the front door, you're just gonna click submit, and where you say proof of delivery, you're gonna just take a picture. When you take a photo, make sure the customer house number show up in the picture. So that's what truck driver required to do when you delivery. And after that, you're just gonna complete drop off. After complete drop off, they're gonna ask you a few questions, or as your overall experience at this step. If you want to, you can just click skip. Okay, it's up to you, but for the tutorial I'm just going to show you what you can expect. And the next question, what type of address was it? It was an house. Just going to click next, and they say was an access code needed. You're just going to click no and click submit. This is easy to do, and after that you're going to do the same thing. And for the second order, you're just going to start. This one is different the first one, because this one, when you get to the customer house, you're just going to not knock in the door because you need customer ID because the order medicine. You can scan it. If the app give you problem, you're just gonna do manually. So while here, they tell me please enter the customer full name and date of birth. After that, I'm just gonna click submit when I finish, and it's gonna ask the customer to sign up. You're just gonna hit the fund to the customer, and the customer just gonna go ahead put his signature in it, and that's it. After you put the signature, you just click OK, and it's gonna say thank you, hope to see you again. And after that, you're just gonna go complete drop off. That's it. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. See you in the next video. Peace.